Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're going to talk about super lice. So first off, what are super lice? In terms of what they do, they're not that different than regular lice. They're parasites that live on the human body, and in fact they can only survive on people. Due to a genetic mutation, super lice are resistant to insecticides contained in over-the-counter treatments. That means it's really hard to get rid of them. In the last year, super lice have spread from only 25 states to the majority of states in the Union. In fact, there's a chance they could be in your house right now, but let's hope that's not true. The biggest difference is treatment. So the best way to get rid of super lice is actually with a lice comb. And we'll put a link to a top-selling one from Amazon in the description below. I can remember as a kid that once a year in elementary school they would go around and they would do a lice inspection. About an hour later, the kids with lice were sent home from school and weren't allowed to return until their lice were fully treated. It was really embarrassing to those kids who had lice. Did anyone have a similar experience? Do you remember that happening in your elementary school? Go ahead and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you enjoy this lice video, learned a little bit about super lice and how to treat super lice. Again, we'll put a link in the description below to a lice comb. And at the end of the video, we'll have a commercial for the top-selling bestest gold mask that I personally like myself.
Hey folks, check out this 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle beauty peel mask. It's the latest and greatest in skincare that's worked its way over from Asia. They're somewhat similar to the activated carbon blackhead peel masks, which focus more on deep pore cleaning and tug on the skin a little bit harder upon peeling. The gold mask focuses more on skin smoothing, and the gold itself helps to replenish collagen and accelerate collagen renewal. So for smoother, healthier skin, try this 24 karat gold peel. Check out the link below.
I feel really smooth and fresh, refreshing.